Photos with disturbing backstory. January 28, 1986. At 11:38 a.m., the Space Shuttle Challenger lifted off from Cape Canaveral. 7 astronauts on board, including schoolteacher Krista McAuliffe, set to become the first teacher in space. Millions were watching live. 73 seconds later, everything changed. A bright flash tore through the shuttle. The vehicle broke apart in the sky. Silence. Then shock. The cause: a failure in an O-ring seal on the right solid rocket booster. Cold weather that morning made it brittle. Hot gases escaped and destroyed the shuttle. The disaster grounded NASA's shuttle program for nearly 3 years and changed spaceflight forever. A mission that began with hope ended in tragedy in just over a minute.